Kauai Juice Co was established in 2010, and we have been brewing kombucha here on Kauai ever since. We offer 10 different flavors year-round that you can find at any of our store locations, Kapa'a, Kilauea, and Poipu. And then over 50 stores island-wide are going to carry a variety of these flavors. Some of the most popular ones are strawberry guava, lilikoi lychee, and then our two most popular ones on tap are turmeric lemon ginger and everyone's favorite dragon fruit pineapple. So kombucha is a fermented fizzy tea, so it's going to have a naturally effervescent feel to it, very bubbly, almost like a soda.
This is a SCOBY, which stands for Symbiotic Culture of Bacteria and Yeast, which is a byproduct as the kombucha grows.
Kombucha is a wonderful source of probiotics, and it's great for restoring the flora inside of your gut. It's also naturally energizing, uplifting, and tasty. Since kombucha is a fermented product, it technically does not have a shelf life. Though we recommend, after purchasing your kombucha, keep it refrigerated and consume within a month after purchasing.
And most importantly, don't forget, never shake your kombucha.